Making sure that you're staying on top of your schoolwork, drinking your water, and taking vitamins so you're not getting sick.
So my advice would be just turn in your work, do your work, and behave. Behave in class. And if you follow those two simple rules, I mean, you should be good for the second 9 weeks and pass your classes.
My advice for students to survive the second 9 weeks is to grow up and show up, basically. So depending on what grade level you are, you have 4 years, 3 to 1 year to be out in the rest of the world. And I think all of our efforts are to make sure that you guys are meeting deadlines for what is due. Remember, you have a last name when you're writing your name on your paper. Show up to school because you will learn if you're here. And then make every effort to talk to your teacher if you are lacking on something. Don't just trust your neighbor. We want to prepare you for the world outside of high school because it will swallow you whole if you don't adhere to some of the lessons we try and teach you here. So, and then just understand to trust us as your teachers. We do want you to succeed. Even if you don't feel like we do, we do. And if it's not one teacher, it's another, or it's all your principals. So trust yourself. You have a purpose and you have a brain. Trust us for trying to help you reach your potential. And show up and be here and care about your future. That's about it.
Here are the next upcoming varsity football, varsity volleyball, and boys and girls cross country games.
Now that we have started having this weather, we asked in a few students what their favorite fall treat was and why. What is your favorite fall treat and why?
It's hot chocolate because sometimes during the fall it just randomly gets cold and it doesn't really feel like fall, it feels like winter.
What is your favorite fall treat and why?
I really like candy corn. Like, whenever you think of fall treats, you think of, one of the first things you would think of is like candy corn. Plus, to me, it's like really good, even though a lot of people don't like it.
What is your favorite fall treat and why?
Pumpkin pie, because it's sweet and it's orange.
What's your favorite fall treat and why? Milk chocolate and sweet.
The ACT will be administered on November 1st, 2022. Driver's ed signups will begin Monday, December 5th and run through Friday, December 16th. Students that will be 15 by December 17th may sign up in their Academy Secretary's office. Driver's ed classes will begin Monday, January 9th. We also have a pep rally today in honor of our cross-country team.
Hi, I'm Isabel.
And I'm Chris.
And we're going to tell you the top 5 Halloween costumes for this year. At number 5, we have Wednesday Addams. Netflix is releasing a Wednesday show and bringing the character back into the spotlight.
At number 4 is Batman. Batman has a lot of shows and movies, the recent one being The Batman.
At number 3, we have Minions. The Rise of Gru had people in a chokehold with its release, so I'm sure that Minions will be running amok this year.
At number 2, Spider-Man, because the latest hit movie, No Way Home.
At number 1, we have Stranger Things. Season 4 was the height of Stranger Things hype, so be ready to see any one of the characters on Halloween night. Thanks for watching.
Who are you going to be following this year?